Good morning, everybody. Today's game for the 24 days of ridiculous things to do with your dog when it's too cold outside is shake. Yes. Try that again. Yes, that's better. Good girl. Now, with Annie, who's the little black doodle that you've seen in previous videos, I taught this to her within a session. This is actually a really easy trick. Carolyn does not like this trick because what will happen is that a dog will get this trick and then that's all they want to do. They start offering shakes and sometimes your face ends up getting caught in the crossfire of their exuberance. But what this trick can also translate to is high five. Yes, good girl. As well as wave. Yeah, good job. They're very similar, but one can transition to the other, which can transition to the other. And yay, you've got extra tricks for your trick title if that's what you decide to go towards, or just a fun party trick. So the way to start this, super simple, is you just take their paw and shake. Good job. Good girl. And then you treat. And you don't even have to introduce the word, but it's such an easy one, good girl, that you can progress with this one very quickly. So you take their paw and you shake it, and yes! And mark once you have their paw in your hand. Yes! Good girl. And of course, Sela's getting a really easy time because she knows this one. This is one of the first things that she's known since she was a puppy. And once you, like same as usual, once, especially with that, if they start offering the paw to you, that's a perfect time to start introducing your word, which is shake. Good girl. Now to transition this to a high five, you start offering your hand higher. Good girl. And it's subtle. And if they don't shake when you bring your hand higher, good girl, then you bring it down a little bit lower and just very slowly raise it up higher and higher until, yes, good girl, until they go nice and high. One more time, high five. Yeah, good girl. Can you come close? Good, sit. And so transitioning to, good job. Transitioning to the wave, good girl. When you go to do a high five, don't say the word. Bring your hand up. Yes. And if they wave towards you without touching your hand, that's when you want to give your marker. Yes, good girl. And once they've got that motion down, which is not touching your hand, then you introduce your word. Just wave. Yeah, good girl. Have fun with this one. And I hope that somebody will share some videos of your progress. Enjoy.